You're now listening to Demon Beats.
He got his own thing to worry about with business. Look how bad that is, y'all, right there. That's the lower ball joint right there. That's bad, just so y'all know. And we got some work for this too. I do have the new bumper, definitely. So I'll be getting that back together. And I got a few other things, but you know, we working. We getting things done slowly. See my bumper, y'all. Yes, indeed. And it come with the hooks. All right, see what the problem is. Might have a problem over here. Might be a hiccup. Oh Lord! Oh Lord! Have mercy. See, this is why. This is. Look at that. Oh God. Lord, have mercy, y'all. Look what he done did already.
What?
Lord, have mercy. Already, y'all.
Oh.
Already, y'all. He got so many other hats in the house that he can use to work with. And look what he done did. Grab one of mine off the shelf, off the wall, for him to dusty it up. It's all good, but still, damn.
But you done sat down.
I saw that. I saw it. That need to
This
be.
is loose.
That need to be. That's another problem. Sway bar.
Scott did that.
Huh?
Scott did that.
Sway bar link.
Scott advertised.
Yeah. So I got to go and do work over top of other people. Hey, look, man. Life is crazy. Hope y'all having a blessed one, man. Sorry about not posting like I should. Hopefully, the new subscribers and my old subscribers won't get discouraged. Like, I ain't watching no more of his videos. I ain't waiting for him to come out. I'ma go ahead and unsubscribe. Y'all choose to, I totally understand it. But for all my faithful, original, cold-hearted, smoking metal car fun family, appreciate all of y'all for sticking around. Cause if y'all don't see me on y'all videos, trust me, I'm still liking on my big screen. Might not comment, but I'm still hitting them thumbs up for y'all. Cause I got a big screen and I watch a lot of things on my TV. So we gonna get back to the young man. And I'll get back to conversating with y'all in a little bit if y'all want to talk to me some more. Because it's been a minute. And he getting ready to leave. And it's just going to be me and my little mama for a whole week. And him and his mama going to Uniontown. So right now he going to hook me up before he leave. Even though I could do it myself. But I know it's going to hurt. I shouldn't hurt. I shouldn't what? Do it?
Yeah.
I know. You know how the doctors are. You know. And I'm a little bit more messed up than what I really am. You know, what I really look like, shall I say. But he got somewhere. Let's show y'all. Instead of running my mouth, he got everything loose. He got the lower ball joint, nut loose, upper control arm. That's loose. That's good to go.
This one's off.
That right there, that tire rod, his bolt is off. And it looked like I'm going to have to take care of my inner tire rod. I mean, sway bar link.
Yeah.
So, yep, so far so good. Now you can take the nut off.
This one?
Yep.
All right.
And then we can see where we gonna get at from there. So now you gotta take the axle nut off. Once we take that off, and then lift everything up and out of the holes that they're in, then becomes a problem. and hopefully it's not gonna be a problem. Because everything is not always easy. Sometimes, you know, things go smoothly in the beginning, then all of a sudden it's like boom, hit a brick wall. Question is, you gonna break through it, or you just gonna give up? We planning on breaking through it. We got a backup plan just in case he can't get it off. All right, now take the top control arm off. You gotta tap on it.
It's already loose.
All right. There you go.
Nope.
There you go. He had to put his back into it. Lift that up out of there. Now, take that off.
I'm using the rubber one, by the way.
Okay. Bought some new little tools. Bought a 4-pound sledgehammer and what pound rubber mallet? What time?
1.
1 pound rubber mallet. So we grabbed some more things to go to with our little tools to make things happen. Might want to hit it with the what's wrong?
I thought something was leaking.
Oh, shouldn't be. So, I'll get back to y'all in a minute once we get that it off. What'd you say it broke? The foot broke.
Hold on, let me let go. Let me disconnect the top from it. So you can see.
Oh, is that? Push that one out.
This?
Yeah. Pull that out.
I don't know if I can get it to come out. Yeah, no, I can't get it out. Huh? Can you see? Huh? Oh crap, it's stuck. But you spin the whole thing now. You can't even. It broke. I can't get the bolt loose now.
Like, let me push it up. What broke?
Right here. In here broke. So right now this whole piece spins with this.
Okay.
I can't get the bolt to loosen anymore because it's broken.
Wow. Yeah.
It don't want to go back far enough. Yeah, I can't get it back far enough. So I don't know what to do. That's out.
Okay. There you go.
Knew it was gonna fall. That's bad.
Now comes the difficult part besides that.
Getting this out.
Is getting the ball joint out. Okay, so now I gotta go get the ball joint press.
Hold on.
Alright?
Wait.
Matter of fact, I'm gonna show you everything that you picking up. Two.
And it's not just this. There were the rings you pulled off too.
Yeah, I pulled off the pieces
Wherever
of
they went.
metal. Yeah, that was up in there. The pieces of metal, they should be all at your feet.
Somewhere. They blending in with all this.
Yeah, with the mud and sticks. But yeah, so I'm gonna go grab the
That's crazy.
ball joint press and then we'll get back to that. Wiggle, 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 wiggle. Ooh. it's time to get work done. This has to come off first.
And how do I
Hopefully
do
that won't be a difficult problem. Because it's like a clamp. It goes around the ball joint. We got the new ones in the truck. But hopefully that won't be a problem.
And how do I do that?
You could try to pry it. So you got a flathead over there?
No.
Alright, give me a second, I'll
There's
grab
one
it.
somewhere. You heard it pop?
Yep.
Is that what I
Mute.
need to do?
Mute.
Keep going?
Mute.
Huh?
Mute.
Oh. Yeah, it just popped. But
Yeah, it's supposed to pop.
keep going?
Look underneath of it. You should be able to see if it pop loose.
I can't tell the difference. I don't know.
I think you might be. Yeah, you. Wait a minute. Yeah. Go ahead. Alright. Now, unloosen it. Yeah, unloosen it and take the top piece off. And then push it the rest of the way out. You know, watch it, you're gonna let everything else down. Gotta hold the bottom cup.
Okay, now what?
Now tighten it back down. So you can push it the rest of the way out.
Oh, crap.
Tighten it down though. You can use your hand right now. Just lift up on it. Down. You're going up. Get it in the center, yup. Yep, there you go. And then pop it the rest of the way out. Always gotta make sure that bottom cup is lined up. It was coming from unlined. Push it at it. And back under. You gotta loosen it a little bit. Keep loosening. Alright, now there you go. There you go. See? Oh shit. I'm recording the
It came loose.
I was recording the jack. Alright, I'm back at you. Might have to cut it, edit a little bit.
Sliding again.
Go ahead.
Keep going?
Yeah, you should be able to. See how it's pushing out?
Mm-hmm. Sorry.
Yeah. Guess what? We got lucky.
Mm-hmm.
Oh, he broke it! Just like
How
that,
hard is it to put it back in?
out. Now, back in status. Young man gonna know how to work on a car everywhere that he needs to know if something happened on the side of the road or anything. His wife, girlfriend, save him money if you can. Save him money if you can.
Look at this.
Yeah, man. Look, y'all. when they say the motto, ride it till the wheels fall off,
Blown
guess
out.
what? I was riding till the wheels was getting ready to fall off.
Blown out. There is no.
No, that's why when I told you I heard that noise, I was like, bro, that's it. I gotta park it till we fix it. Woo! Young man, crazy. All right, so let me find the clip for the top of it back here, and I'm gonna get back to y'all in a minute. And when you get close, that way, check your bottom, see how far you up in there.
There's still space in between there.
Let me see. Yeah, you getting there. Alright, check it.
It's against.
Huh?
It's against.
Okay.
Go take it
Check
off?
it. Yeah.
Or do it one more time?
Take it off. Let's see. You should be popped through. Just move your piece. Yeah. You're through. Now, yeah, put the clamp on.
I gotta take this off. Yeah, I gotta take it off again.
Put your clamp on. Uh-oh. And repeat your steps.
Rewind.
Yeah, backwards. Battery getting ready to die, y'all. So we didn't have to do no welding on the lower ball joint, as y'all can see. So, yeah.
Torching.
No torching. Yeah, that's what I meant to say. Talking about welding because I'm talking about my truck. But, yeah, none of that good stuff. Bad stuff, shall I say. So, yeah. But, yep, this is where we at with the hair. So, that's just for now. Color's still coming. Catch y'all. Make sure y'all like, comment, subscribe. Smash the notification bell so y'all can get all upcoming content that I put out. Peace.